Good morning, students. Now I am going to about permanent ways and its components. What is permanent way? You should know about what is permanent way. A combination of formations, subballast, ballast, slippers and rails is called permanent way. Now you see this figure. First one is subgrades. Subgrades we can say formations. This layer is the soil layers. Then over it, then the second layer is the we can say subballast. Subballast is the small size of granular materials. Then over it, then the layer is ballast. Ballast is the broken stone materials. Then the layer above the layer is called slippers. You can see this figure, slippers. Then the layer over it, rails. We can say rails. Now the arrangement, these arrangements, the whole arrangements is called permanent way. Now I am going to discuss about the components, parts of the or components of the permanent way. First one is rails, then slippers. First one is rails, then slippers, then ballast, then subballast. Now, first one we discuss the rails. Rails, students, you should know, or some students call rails and trains are equal, but it is not equal, it is different. Rails is made up of steels bar and or continuous line of bars. It is laid on the ground or it holds the slippers. Rail holds the slippers. The vehicle roads or train roads transmit to the rails. We discuss about first components is rails. Students, some students are called rails and trains are equals, but rails and trains are not equals. Rails is made up of steel. It is laid on the slippers or slippers hold the rails. The entire load or train loads or vehicle loads transport the rails. Then second component is slippers. Slippers, it is, students, previously you know the wooden slippers, the slippers made up of wooden and cast irons, but nowadays in modern times slippers are made up of in pre-cast or pre-stressed concrete slippers. Nowadays it is used pre-stressed concrete slippers. Slippers hold the rails. Now you see this figure, vehicle loads transport to the rails, then rails transport the load from rails to the slippers. Then ballast. Third component is ballast. Ballast is the broken stone materials which is size is 40 to 80 mm. It is laid between the slippers and top of the formations. Ballast, it uses, what is the use of ballast or what is the function of ballast? The entire load, the train or vehicle loads transfer to the rails, rail transfer the loads, slipper transfer the load, ballast. Then fourth component is sub-ballast. Sub-ballast is the smaller materials or granular or more materials. Its function is the total entire load of the vehicles transferred to the sub-ballast. Then last layer is or last components is subgrade or formations. Formations, it is prepared and finished surfaces over the permanent way which is placed, and it is designed by either cutting or fillings according to the nature of the ground surfaces. Students, you can see next lecturer videos. Thank you.